Dear friends, as you all have got your JEE Mains 2020 results by now, so your next step is to get into a college through various counseling process. In this video, I shall talk about JAC counseling. We shall discuss various important steps in JAC counseling. JAC stands for Joint Admission Counseling. This counseling is meant for UG admissions in few premier engineering colleges located in Delhi. These premier colleges are DTU, that is Delhi Technical University, IGDTU-W, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Triple ITD, Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, Delhi, and the fourth is NSUT, Netaji Subhash University of Delhi. So there is no age criteria for all the participating institutes. So there is no minimum or maximum age for joining these colleges. JAC counseling for admission in these colleges would be conducting online mode only. So admission would be based on your rank obtained in JEE Mains. Paper 1 rank would be considered for admission in BTech courses and Paper 2 rank for BArch admission. Right? So there are total of 5,448 seats in engineering and just 40 seats in architecture in the participating colleges. 85% 85% of these seats are for Delhi region candidates and 15% of the seats are for outside Delhi region candidates. There would be total of 4 rounds of counseling. So important dates for first round of counseling are here. Online registration starts on 21st of September and last date is 9th October 2020. And declaration of seat allotment for this first round would be on 16th of October, right? And important dates for other rounds is also given here. If a candidate misses deadline of 9th October for first round of counseling, then candidate can do fresh registration before starting another round, right? And registration come counseling fees INR 1500 plus transaction charges if any. And the procedure for online registration is given here. First, candidate need to visit www.jackdelhi.nic.in, then fill online registration form, pay INR 1500 as registration cum counseling fee. So please keep in mind this fee is non-refundable. Then finally you need to fill the choices. In the beginning of registration, candidate has to enter following details: JEE Main application number, name as per JEE admit card, date of birth, and it should be as per JEE application. And if your enter details match with JEE 2020, then you will be asked to enter your email ID and mobile number. Then you will get verification code on your mobile and email ID. After entering this verification code, you can create your own password for JAC Delhi portal. And you must remember this password and keep it highly confidential to avoid any misuse by any other candidate. After this, you need to complete JAC Delhi application in few steps. You also need to enter bank details at the time of registration. This bank account must belong to yourself or your immediate family member. This bank account will be used for refund of admission fee if required by JAC Delhi. Candidates will be required to upload following documents at the time of registration on JAC Delhi portal. First is your high school or 10th class certificate. So as a proof of your date of birth. The next document would be a 12th class mark sheet, and third would be bonus points document. If eligible for triple ITD bonus point, you can refer to JAC counseling browser for checking eligibility for this bonus point. And then you also need to submit a reserve category certificate if applicable, and also this physical disability certificate if applicable. Candidate will not be permitted to edit the details once a candidate confirms the registration form. Once application form is completed and confirmed by candidate, then he or she will have to pay registration cum counseling fee of INR 1500. Candidate should take printout of registration form, then signed by parents and self. This has to be submitted at the time of admission or reporting in the institute. After registration and fee payment, you must visit website jackdelhi.nic.in once again and fill the choices for seat allotment. You can fill as many choices as you want, and it is in your interest to fill maximum number of choices so as to benefit from upgradation of seats during any round of counseling. So keep in mind, editing of choice is permitted during registration window, including new registration allowed at the beginning of each round of counseling. Preference of choice will be locked automatically once the registration period is over. Candidate should take printout of filled choice once registration is closed. BARC program is only offered in IGDTU W Institute. So eligible female candidates seeking admission in BARC program must choose BARC as one of the choice, right? So female candidates will be considered for allotment of seat as per their JE rank in paper 2. New registration will be allowed after completion of each round. So there would be total of 4 rounds, and all the eligible candidates should prioritize between BTech and BARC carefully during choice filling. Seat allotment letter can be downloaded after declaration of result of each round. This letter will indicate your category and institute allotted. If seat is allotted and admission fee is paid by the candidate, then admission committee will verify the uploaded documents and confirm the admission. Status of confirmation will be available in candidate's login. So admission fee is rupees 1,03,000, which you need to pay after seat allotment. If a seat is allotted in a particular round and candidate fails to pay required admission fee as per counseling schedule, then allotted seat shall be cancelled and will not be considered for seat allotment in next round of counseling. Fee payment link will be made available in your JAC login immediately after seat allotment of a round. So you must pay your fee within the counseling schedule. We will be uploading our next video on JOSA counseling very soon, and hope this information was useful for you for JAC counseling. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Latest Info Bank. Thank you very much.